Hi Jay.
Hey Matt.
Today we're going to learn more about how to predict the future. Anything interesting in the news?
Well, it says here that by 2025, all human workers will have been replaced by robots.
Robots? Will that really happen?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, but the good news is you've used the future perfect passive to predict the future.
I did?
You did. Let me show you how. Another way you can predict the future is to talk about actions that will be finished by someone else in the future. The future perfect passive. You will need will plus have plus been plus PP, the past participle. So, by 2025, workers will have been replaced by robots.
And the past participle are words like gone, done, eaten, replaced?
Exactly.
Wouldn't it be easier to just say robots will replace human workers in 2025?
Yeah, you can do that, but that means something completely different. That sentence is active and focused on the robots.
Okay. And with the passive, human workers will have been replaced.
Yeah, the story is now focused on humans, on us. Plus the newspaper says that this will happen before 2025, not in 2025.
Okay, but it's referring to the future.
Yes, but it's going to happen before 2025, so you say by 2025.
Ah, I see. So it could be 2020, or it could be 2021, or even next year.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I think I've got it. So what did we learn today?
Well, today we've learned more about how to predict the future using future perfect passive.
Do you think we will be replaced by 2025 too?
Perhaps we already have.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.